Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll show a tasty breakfast recipe made of rice. So it is very famous in Malnad, Karnataka, called as undlige. So I have taken thick rice here, 3 glasses, which was previously soaked. We'll blend this rice in batches into smooth paste. The consistency should be like that of neer dosa. So we will add to a vessel and add 3 teaspoons of salt to this. Mix it and keep it on the stove. Heat it while you stir it continuously. So it has become thick now, like this. Yes, after this you can allow it to cool. To an idli vessel you can add 3 glasses of water and keep a plate inside it. Now the rice preparation, you can make it ball sized and keep it inside the plate. Now cover it with a lid and steam it for 15 to 20 minutes. After it gets cooled, you can cut this into small pieces. You can even make it smaller than this. Now I have taken half cup of jaggery, 1.5 cups of grated coconut, fresh grated coconut, red chili 6 to 7, tamarind 1/4 cup, crystal salt 2.5 teaspoons. We'll blend all this together into fine paste and keep it aside. Now for seasoning, 3 tablespoons of oil I have taken, mustard 2 teaspoons, Chana Dal 4 teaspoons and Urad Dal 4 teaspoons. Red chilies 2 to 3. Now we will fry it until it is golden brown. So after this we will add 5 onions. 5 onions I am adding here. Turmeric 1 or 2 teaspoon. Fry it until it is golden brown. Then you can add the cut small pieces of rice preparation. So this is very tasty. You please try it at home. Now we'll add the ground paste, masala paste. Here jaggery is bit more. If you want you can decrease the amount of jaggery if you like less sweet. You can mix it thoroughly and fry it for 8 to 10 minutes. If you want you can cover this with the lid and keep it for 5 minutes. So fry it for 10 minutes and yes, our very tasty undlige is ready. Garnish it with coriander, chopped coriander. So if you like this video, please like, share and do subscribe, and for more videos like this please hit the bell button. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you.